Hey, welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today let's discuss how to make likes public on X. So actually you cannot make them public because as of mid-2024, X made all likes private by default, and there is no setting to make your likes tab visible to others anymore. And basically what you can do instead is to retweet or quote some kind of tweet. So in order to do that, go to some kind of post, and below it you need to find this two arrows in a square icon, tap it and select quote option. Here you can add some kind of comment to this post. Yes, and when you are ready you have to tap post button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then it will appear on your page, and if someone goes to your page they will find it if you go to posts tab right here, so it will be shown right here. Yeah, so that's basically it. Thank you for watching. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.